Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how to link a button with some particular section on web page. So for example, here I want to add a button, then I want to link that button with a particular section on this page. Okay, so first of all I need to log in into my demo website. So simply I need to add /wp-admin, and this is the way to log in into your WordPress website. After that, now let's reload the page and enable TV Viewer Builder. So if you are using Elementor Page Builder, then the process is same. And after that, now let's add a button. Then here we can change button text or products, and then here in the link we need to add button link. Okay, so now let's go to the second page. And after that, now we need to add a class for any section or section ID. Now scroll down and here we can find various sections. So for example, I want to add section ID for this section. Go to settings and after that go to advanced, then CSS ID. So I can give any name, for example products, and then save it. So now here we can link that section. Just go to button settings and then link. Before that we need to copy that page link. So this is after home to. Then again add / and then ID products. And before the ID we need to add hash, and after that click save, and then reload the page. So let's see if it works. Click here and here you can see it's working fine. So in this way you can link a particular section on any web page